Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present about the advantages and disadvantages about genetic modified food. First of all, we will introduce our team. So my name is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Huzaini and my metric number is 200300.
My name is Muhammad Safwan Bikri bin Mazlan. My metric number is 200323.
Okay, this is our topic, the advantage and disadvantage GMO. So this is our flow. First, we will present about introduction about GMO and advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. So the introduction. So what is GMO? First, GMO is genetic makeup of organism living that has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. It is through all living organism, including to plant, crops, and livestock. So next is the history. So the first product of GMO has been commercial began in 1994, and today we have many of product that has been modified by genetically GMO. So DNA has been discovered in the early 90s. So after the discovery of DNA, there are more research about DNA, and until now we can modify the genetic of foods to make it more better. The advantage of GMO. So the advantage of GMO is increased supply of food and reduced cost. Increased supply of food, this is because GMO make the food more strong, so the food can be last longer than original form of food. So we can supply the food to many places because the food will be more strong, and we can increase the quality of food, so they can make the food more nutrient and more tastier. Next is reduce cost. Reduce cost. The food that have through the GMO will be more strong, so it can drought resistant and less require of environment resource. So the plant will need less water and fertilizer than the original one. So this can reduce the cost of planting the modified food. Uh, so this will make the food more cheaper, and all people can eat food and can buy the food. That's all.
Okay, so next I will proceed with the advantages of genetic modified organism. So first, because genetic modified organism is we play with the gene, so there are many, so they will affect human and environment. First, I'm going to talk about allergy reaction. Some people believe that GMO trigger allergy reaction. This is because GMO may contain gene from the allergen. So what is allergen? Allergen is a food that prompt an allergy reaction. So WHO, World Health Organization, discouraged the genetic engineer from using DNA from the allergen to make the GMO. In addition, there are also fear that the new allergy could be formed. This is because we mixing with two genes into one organism. Because of this, mutation will happen. It's not weird if the new disease will happen in the future. Because of this, more weird disease will will be found in the future. Next, genetic modified crop disadvantage are much larger than simply harming our health. Regarding its environment effects, toxicity, huge issue concerning the GM crops. For example, do you know the BT corn? So what is BT corn? BT corn is a GMO that have the ability to control the pest. Okay, BT corn is a soy bacterium that have a gene that produce certain toxin that have the ability to kill the pests and insect such as such as larva caterpillar. Okay, why this characteristic are helpful in the controlling of pests? But the toxin, what happen when the toxin is too much to the soil? So the soil will become infertile. This is because the this is because the toxin is prevent the growth of the bacteria essential for the growth of the plant. Because of this, the plant cannot grow well. So what is the use of the increasing the food safety like increasing the pest resistance, but the plant itself is not grows. So we know is that it also the GMO have advantage, but also have many disadvantage. Okay, so to summarize, um, the advantage of the GMO is increased supply of food and reduce cost, and the advantage of GMO is allergic reaction and toxicity. We know that it also have the advantage and disadvantage, but the researcher and engineer need to do more research on this kind of GMO because we don't know what is the long term of effect to the human if we just take the we just consume the GMO. For example, if we consume the GMO in the long term, the such as the BT corn, the toxin, the toxin will the toxin harm our body? Because of that, I think that's research more research need to be done. I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Betul.
Berapa minit weh?
Tahu? Nak potong-potong lagi?
Tinggal tak? Cukup tak?